Looking for a reliable and attentive driving instructor for your teenager? Ready to become a licensed driver? Or need to convert from an overseas to Australian licence? Concerned about nerves or language barriers? You need an accredited, experienced driving instructor that provides a safe and encouraging learning environment. As a local family-owned business, Cross Country Driver Training provide driving instruction catered to your unique needs and requirements. We offer affordable driving lessons to students in all areas from Strathpine to Glasshouse Mountains and are open 7 days a week to fit your schedule. With pick-up and drop-off from home, school and work in the local area, our dedicated driver training vehicles are available in manual and automatic and are fitted with mandatory dual controls for student safety. For reliable driving instruction you can trust, call 0412 352 667 or visit our website at crosscountrydriving.com.au to book your lesson today.